Welcome to Velo View, friends. Today we're going to take a deep dive into the 2026 Hyundai Elantra, a car that has managed to keep its spot in the spotlight by blending bold styling, smart technology, efficient performance, and even serious performance chops in its sportier trims. What makes the Elantra such a standout in 2026 is the way it balances everyday practicality with futuristic design and versatility, and over the next few minutes I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know in one smooth ride, from its looks to its safety and performance, so you can decide if it's the right compact sedan for you. The exterior design of the 2026 Elantra is the first thing that grabs attention, and Hyundai has leaned hard into sharp creases and angular styling that make the car look almost like a futuristic concept brought to life. The front fascia features a wider grille and sleek, aggressive LED headlights that give the car an assertive stance, while the sides carry bold sculpted lines that make the Elantra look lower and longer than it actually is. At the back, the taillights stretch across the trunk, with a lighting signature that really makes it stand out at night. Hyundai has also distinguished the trims visually. The base models keep things clean and modern, while the N line introduces sportier touches such as a unique grille pattern, sport wheels, and dual exhausts. If you step up to the Elantra N, you get an even more aggressive look with larger air intakes, red accent lines, a rear diffuser, and big alloy wheels that scream performance. Overall, whether you're after subtle sophistication or bold sporty vibes, Hyundai has made sure there's an Elantra that matches your taste. Once you step inside, you notice how far Hyundai has come in terms of interior design. The cabin has a wraparound cockpit-like layout that tilts slightly toward the driver, emphasizing a driver-centric experience. On the lower trims, you'll find an 8-inch touchscreen paired with an analog and digital gauge combo, which already feels modern for an entry-level sedan. Climb up the range, and things get much more premium with a wide dual-screen setup consisting of a 10.3-inch infotainment display seamlessly joined to a 10.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster. The graphics are crisp, the interface is quick, and connectivity is on point. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across all trims, with wireless capability on the smaller screen and wired functionality for the larger display to maintain smooth performance. Hyundai has also packed in modern features like wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports, and even the option to use your smartphone as a digital key in higher trims. The limited trim really takes it up a notch with a premium Bose audio system that delivers clear sound and makes long drives more enjoyable. Comfort and space inside the Elantra remain one of its strongest qualities. This compact sedan actually feels quite roomy for its class. The front seats offer 42.3 inches of legroom, which is near the top of the segment, and the rear passengers get a comfortable 38 inches. The trunk space is equally competitive, offering around 14.2 cubic feet, making it easy to handle groceries, luggage, or sports gear. Hyundai has made improvements to cabin materials too. While the base model still uses some hard plastics, the higher trims add more soft touch surfaces and stylish finishes that elevate the overall feel. Even though it's still not at the level of some luxury rivals, it gives excellent value for its price. Under the hood, the Elantra gives you multiple choices depending on your priorities. The base engine is a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder producing 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission. It's not a performance machine, but it gets the job done for daily commutes with efficiency and smoothness. It takes around 8.4 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, which actually beats the base Honda Civic's acceleration, even if it doesn't feel particularly sporty. If you want more excitement without jumping all the way to the top, the Elantra N line is a great middle ground. It features a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder delivering 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. This setup, combined with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, gives much quicker responses and gets the car to 60 in about 7 seconds. It competes directly with cars like the Civic C and actually outpaces it in acceleration, making it a solid choice for those who want affordable fun. But for enthusiasts who want the ultimate experience, the Elantra N is the crown jewel. Powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine pumping out 276 horsepower, or 286 when you activate the N-Grin shift mode, it rockets to 60 in as little as 4.7 seconds with the dual-clutch automatic, or about 5.5 with the 6-speed manual. It's not just about straight-line speed either. The adaptive suspension, electronic limited slip differential, and multiple drive modes turn the Elantra N into a true corner carver. It even matches up against hot hatches like the Civic Type R, and in some acceleration tests, it edges ahead. Fuel economy is another area where the Elantra impresses. The base model achieves an estimated 30 to 32 miles per gallon in the city and up to 41 on the highway, which makes it an excellent daily commuter. The N line is slightly less efficient at around 28/35, but still competitive given the boost in performance. The Elantra N, as expected, is thirstier, returning about 22 in the city and 28 on the highway, though that's still decent considering its power. The real star for efficiency is the Elantra Hybrid. It pairs a 1.6-liter engine with an electric motor for a combined output of 139 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, but the real highlight is fuel economy. In the blue trim, it delivers up to 51 miles per gallon city and 58 highway, giving you a range close to 600 miles on a single tank. That makes it one of the most fuel-efficient sedans available, even beating the range offered by the Civic Hybrid. Safety is another strength Hyundai emphasizes. The 2026 Elantra has received a top Safety Pick Plus rating from IIHS and a 5-star overall rating from NHTSA, which speaks volumes about its crashworthiness. Standard safety features include forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic high beams. Adaptive cruise control is available from the SEL trim upward and standard on higher trims. Hyundai's safety suite is comprehensive, making even the entry-level trims feel secure and modern. When it comes to value, the Elantra really shines. Hyundai has managed to keep pricing competitive while offering a lot of equipment. The base trims give you the essentials with modern styling and connectivity, while the SEL Sport Premium, priced around $27,000, packs in big car features like a large digital display, premium wheels, and advanced driver aids. Even the performance-focused N model, with its serious hardware, comes in at a price far lower than some rivals that deliver similar thrills. Hyundai also backs the Elantra with one of the best warranties in the industry, giving buyers extra peace of mind. So, after looking at the design, the interior, the engine choices, the fuel economy, safety, and value, it's clear the 2026 Hyundai Elantra is one of the most versatile sedans on the market. Whether you want a stylish and efficient daily driver, a tech-savvy commuter, a hybrid for maximum savings, or a fire-breathing sports sedan in disguise, Hyundai has crafted an Elantra for you. It's not just a competitor to cars like the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, or Mazda 3, it's a model that in many ways matches or even surpasses them depending on which version you choose. The Elantra has grown into a car that isn't just about affordability, but about choice, personality, and driving character. Thanks for sticking around for this full breakdown of the 2026 Hyundai Elantra. If you enjoyed this review and want to keep up with more detailed car insights and reviews, make sure to subscribe to VeloView. Your support helps us bring you the best automotive content, and I'll see you in the next video.